the Gran Coupe, the Gran Limousine, the Gran Turismo. Then you have the regular 3 Series, then the 5 Series, then the 7 Series, then the 8 Series, then the X1, then the X3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, I'm not here to talk about the BMW spread, but I'm going to talk about the new facelifted 6 Series, that is the 630i M Sport. Let's find out what are these changes in this new 630i M Sport from BMW India. This is the Motown India show and my name is Roy P. Tharian, and as you go along, if you like this video, do not forget to give us the thumbs up and do share this video, and if you're not subscribed to the Motown India channel, do so now. The new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo models have got a facelift, and we had with us the new 630i M Sport. How I wish the 630i M Sport 2 had a remote control function to move the vehicle forward and in reverse with a BMW display key, just like a toy car. But that's only in the 630d M Sport, so I had to be satisfied with everything else about the car, which I knew were equally irresistible. The exterior dimensions of the car have not changed. It continues to have a length of 5091 mm, a width of 1902 mm and a height of 1538 mm. It is quite a lengthy car with a long wheelbase of 3070 mm. The flowing roofline and the frameless windows of the 4 doors give it a very sporty look. It has an active rear spoiler that automatically extends when the car reaches 120 km per hour. The real problem is getting to 120 kilometers in a city where speed cameras dot every broad road of ours. The area around the kidney grille has been tweaked, which now has new contours. The slats in the kidney grille open up automatically when the engine is switched on so as to let the fresh air cool the engine area. The slats fold back and close the area once the engine is switched off. Of course, there is a lot of chrome in and around the grille. On either side of these are the stretched out headlights, giving the front an impressive look. The car comes with new full LED headlights, including adaptive cornering function and the BMW Selective Beam non-dazzling high beam assistant. Apart from the 2 L-shaped daytime driving light, all the light functions use LEDs. The outer daytime driving lights now also perform the role of turn indicators. The M Sport variant gets BMW laser light for low and high beam. At higher speeds, BMW laser light increases high beam range to a maximum of 650 meters and follows the course of the road dynamically. An identifying feature of the BMW laser light, visible with the headlights on or off, are the blue inlays in the upper edges of the headlights units. The vehicle also gets new designs in the front and rear aprons, and not to be missed are the trapezoidal exhaust tailpipe finishers on all models. The 630i M Sport sedan scores big when it comes to the interiors. It gets dual tone interior with the seats having a shade of brown and the rest of the cabin space donning a dark finish. The 630i M Sport has comfortable seats both in front and rear, and along with the large panoramic sunroof, the cabin looks spacious and inviting. It continues to get a driver-focused design of the cockpit and race seat position. Then it has a high opening tailgate to reveal storage capacity of 600 liters, even with all the seats in use. The car has a hands-free tailgate opening and closing. The rear seats are, however, 40-20-40 split for convenient expansion of storage space and can be operated with touch of a button in the boot. These seats have extra cushiony headrests. With the rear seats down, the boot area increases to a massive 1800 liters. The spare tire, all zipped up in the boot compartment, needs to be shunted out if you have to make this car your luggage carrier. The instrument cluster and control display each have a 12.3-inch screen. Each of the screens offer a plethora of functions that can be performed with either the large round knob, which is the iDrive control, or through touch. In the case of the instrument cluster, it can be done with the help of the steering mounted buttons. Other features include the iDrive controller with touchpad, navigation and multimedia systems, 2 USB ports in both the front and rear, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi interfaces, telephony with wireless charging, and a hands-free facility. It offers smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and now also with Android Auto. The latest version of the BMW Virtual Assistant now takes the connection between driver and car to a new level, activated by a spoken prompt. For example, "Hey BMW," or at the touch of a button. This digital companion acquires new capabilities all the time. Naturally formulated spoken instructions can now also be used to open and close the car's windows partially or fully, or adjust the air conditioning. The sports seats for the driver and front passenger can be adjusted electrically for height, base angle and backrest angle. The side bolsters of the sports seat are adjustable. The fully electric seat adjustment comes with memory function on the driver's side. Comfort seats provide lumbar support, comfort headrests. The 630i M Sport has a 4-zone automatic climate control. The car gets ambient interior lighting with mood lights including 6 selectable light designs. It has welcome light carpet for the area where the driver and passengers get in and out of the car. The rear seat entertainment comprises 2 touchscreen monitors with full HD technology, each measuring 10.25 inches across, a Blu-ray player, screen mirroring function with compatible smartphones and 2 USB ports. The vehicle features a Harman Kardon surround sound system which comprises of 16 speakers. Coming to engine and performance, the BMW 630i M Sport is powered by the BMW twin power turbo technology. The 2-liter 4-cylinder engine generates a maximum output of 258 HP and a peak torque of 400 Newton meters. The car accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6.5 seconds. The engine is mated with an 8-speed Steptronic transmission. This automatic transmission features a weight-reduced design, a newly developed control system, and an increased gear ratio spread. The response from the electromechanical steering system was very satisfying. The self-leveling air suspension at both axles offered a very comfortable drive despite some of the rough patches we encountered. The system also makes it possible to adjust the car's ride height manually. Ground clearance can be increased by 20 mm at the touch of a button for driving on dirt tracks. As soon as the car's speed exceeds 35 km per hour, the self-leveling system automatically returns to the standard setting. Similarly, the ride height can also be dropped by 10 mm by pushing a button. This happens automatically at speeds above 120 km per hour and also when the driving experience control switch is set to sport mode. The drive modes offered include Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. The car gets a parking assistant that helps the driver to select and make use of parallel and perpendicular parking spaces. Coming to the verdict, the facelifted BMW 630i M Sport is a sporty 6 Series car which offers not only great cabin comfort and a slew of electrically operated features to indulge in, but is a great car to drive on the road. Though it's got speed as its forte, it's the quality of the ride which is remarkably impressive.